It takes a lot of noise, a lot of coal, and a lot of effort to travel this way. For residents in this part of Sichuan, steam trains have provided their link to the outside world for over half a century.
This is how people in Bargo still commute. Now, it's certainly not a speedy way to go because it takes about 75 minutes to cover just 20 kilometres or so. But it is a really spectacular way to travel.
Until a couple of years ago, they were the only way to get up the valley to Bargo. Even now, most people here rely on them. These trains date back to the Great Leap Forward in 1958. The line was built so that coal from the mine at Bargo could be carried away. Until then, workers had to use wheelbarrows to get it out of town. Soon after the trains started running, carriages were added for the residents. In fact, inhabitants used the track to get around even between services. How else would the butcher reach his customers?